What up world, it's BK here, and it's day 6 of Trash to Track, and today we will be making some block-off plates for these, as well as removing any of the additional vacuum hoses that we left, and mending some of those exposed wires we saw, and I think I saw an oil leak, so let's check that out too. To the eBay. Covering the holes and making sure we have enough space to bolt things in. So like, I think this amount is good enough. Just cut a little extra. We did end up needing to hone this out a bit, but this covers the holes and we'll screw in. So we're obviously going to get different, shorter screws for these, and that way we can also sell the original hardware with the doohickey. Same thing on this one. I had to hone out the bottom one a bit, but it's on there. We'll get smaller bolts and perfect. So the strategy on this one will be a little different. We're going to cut these bolts, and then we're going to rethread them and put nuts on. What's up? You looking good today? I'm pretty happy with our progress so far. What's left is to clean up those vacuum hoses and tidy up some of those wires for today. But yeah. Just kind of taking a break, taking it all in. This was my first time doing anything like this. Actually, all of this is my first time really doing anything like this. What about you? What got you into cars? If you want to leave your story of how you got into cars in the comments, I will collect all of them throughout the series, and then we will make a video going through some of the best ones, reading people's stories about what got them into cars, or engineering at all, really. What really got me into cars is initially I fell in love with that series when I was young by playing the arcade game. Yeah, I got sick one day and just binged the whole series and absolutely fell in love with it. Now we're doing different stuff. Life's a twisty road. May as well drift it. What's up, ZZ? Pretty sure this one's like the cruise control. Hood latch release. Oh, okay, cool. So this comes from the engine, so I guess it's like a part of the water line in the engine, and then that was like bypassing through the throttle body in order to get to this line there. As you can see, it is rusty in there, so we need to flush. Not affecting it too bad. This is a V6. You know what's better than one spinny boy? Yeah, I wish. For me, I find it beneficial when you're kind of in the middle of a project to find ways to see visual representations of your progression. And I thought, as a conclusion to day 6, leading into day 7 being the halfway point, we can kind of look at and go over all the different components we've taken off. And appreciate you watching day 6 of Trash to Track. I know ZZ likes this. If you do too, please hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe. Come back tomorrow. Have a good day. See you then.